How to block calls without airplane mode. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your phone dialer or call center, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on settings. And here what you need to do is you need to click on supplementary services. And once this page opens, from the as you can see, we have two SIMs. I'm going to be using the SIM 1 section. Now from that section of your preferred SIM card, click on call forwarding. And once does this page load and opens, click on the first option that says always forward. And here what you need to do is you need to enter any random number that you are not using anymore, or a blocked number that you used to have. So I'm just going to enter random one for the sake of this video. Say for example, just random one. And what you need to do here after that is to click on turn on. And what will this do is that any calls that you get on your number will be forwarded to this number right here, and you will not receive them on your SIM card number. So if anyone calls you, he will be calling this number and not your actual number, and you will not receive that call on your SIM card, which is kind of work like a block or like an airplane mode, but without the you actually turning on the airplane mode. So yeah, that's basically it, and you can turn it off whenever you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block calls without airplane mode. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.